Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time, you're welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, you're welcome as well. So today's video, I'm gonna be making fresh tomato stew with cow skin, which is what we call Ponmo in Nigeria. So the first thing I'm gonna be doing is actually to cut my fresh tomatoes, my chili pepper and my onions and blend them. After I'm done blending them, I'm gonna put that right on fire and we will take it up from there.
Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what, if you're stupid then you know there's nothing wrong. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna.
So after I'm done blending everything, I'm just gonna put that on fire and let it steam for a couple of minutes. Actually to let it steam until the water dries off, and I will continue the video. So as you can see, the tomatoes is boiling, and I'm gonna just go ahead and slice the onions I'm gonna be using in the stew now, and after that we'll take it up.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now.
So everything is steamed up. As you can see, the water has dried off. So now I'm gonna be adding my onions, and I'll add up my oil as well and let everything fry for a couple of minutes. Then I will go ahead and add in my meat and spice it up. So now I will let it fry for a couple of minutes, and after that we'll add our cow skin.
You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you.
So it's actually time to add up the cow skin. As you can see, after adding that, I will just try to stir it up a little bit so that everything will mix properly. Then after that, I will start spicing it. So the first thing I'm gonna be putting is the Cameroonian pepper, which is the black pepper. That's the first thing I'm adding into my mixture. So yes, after that I'm gonna be putting suya pepper as well, because I always like my stew tasting like suya, you know what I mean. So the next thing is actually like maggi that I'm gonna put, like that's my seasoning. Then the next thing is garlic. Then after garlic I'm gonna be putting in curry. Yeah, so I'll put in the curry. Then after the curry I'll mix everything together, mix everything thoroughly. Then at the end of the day we'll add up some water inside and just let it steam for a couple of minutes. Yeah. Oh, I forgot to add up dry pepper, red pepper. So that's just what I just added now, and just keep stirring.
I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake.
So I will just add up water now into the mixture and just let it steam for a couple of minutes, and that's it.
With you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now.
So at this stage, the only thing we have to do is just to keep checking the stew for it to dry up so that we can bring it down. But basically we're done with most of the work here, so it's just to check from time to time for the water to dry up, and after that our stew is ready. Yeah, at this point our stew is actually ready. As you can see, it's bubbling. Yeah, so the stew is ready, and you can actually eat this with different types of dishes. You can eat it with rice, you can eat it with yam, you can eat it with potatoes, you can eat it with swallow, anything at all you feel like eating it with. Well, I'm gonna be having mine with basmati rice. Yes, so that's what I'm gonna be doing now. I'm just gonna boil the rice, and yeah, my lunch is ready.
And we can do nothing at all. So what? If you're stupid, then you know it's nothing wrong. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know.
So this is the end of the video, and I hope you guys love the end result. Thank you so much for sticking around with me, and if you like this video, please don't forget to thumbs up, comment, share with your friends, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my channel. I want to be able to get to at least 1,000 subscribers before the end of the year. So please guys, subscribe, help a baby girl. Yeah, thank you so much for stopping by, and have a nice day. Bye.